What does it take to be an angel?
Hello everybody, my name is David Elliott, founder of Freedom Waterless Car Wash, and today we're going to do a little demonstration of the Freedom Original Formula. Now this product has two kinds of natural waxes, the Carnauba wax and the Montan wax from coal, and the polymer waxes. It has a 0.5% abrasives to get any light water spots or light oxidation off. It has some lubricating agents and some soaps in there to break down the dirt. First off, we're going to take 2 microfiber towels. First, we're going to spray it in one towel, spray it on the car nice and evenly. Now this is breaking down and dissolving the dirt on contact. The lubricating action with the towel also soaks up 9 times its weight in water. So when we rub this on the car, it's actually pulling the dirt away from the car and soaking it into the towel, leaving a little residue of wax that we can buff off while it's still wet a little bit later. Watch. There's the dirt. And there's the shine. Isn't that beautiful? Have a good day.
What does it take to be an angel? Where time starts on go when it sleeps. Is every star that shines so brightly in the sky another promise I must keep? I know by now it isn't written in the stars, just shadows, dreams, and light and dark that sometimes seem just as far. What does it take